Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick nighttime skincare routine. You guys, it's going to be very easy. If you're somebody that is not, you don't like to stress yourself to do a lot of things in your skincare, or you don't like too much product, then this is the video for you. If this video is what you're going to like to watch, please stick around to the end of the video and don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notification, give this video a thumbs up and give me a constructive comment. So you guys, my skincare routine has really dropped and I've started seeing results ever since I stopped using some of the product I'm using, and this routine has been a game changer for me. If you watch my face, a lot of things have changed about my face. So I'm going to start off. I don't want to waste too much time in this video, so I'm going to start off with my lip balm, because my lips is a bit crusty and all of those stuff, so I wouldn't want that to continue as I make this video. So I'm going to start off with my lip balm just to bring that shine back to my lip, and after that I'm going to go in with my all-time favorite Queen Helen's cleanser. You guys, this is what it looks like. So this is what I'm going to be using to clean my face. I've started seeing changes ever since I reduced some products in my skincare routine, and ever since then, like, my face has gone from bad to good, and I'm enjoying every bit of it. I don't want this video to be super long, so I'm going to be pretty much fast with whatever it is I'm doing here now. And if you check my previous video, I think I'm going to put a before and after of what my face looks like a month back. That is 1 month back, 1 month ago. I'm going to put the before and the after so that you see the difference. Sometimes little actually does the job. It's not every time you pack too much skincare product in your routine. Sometimes little products actually does the job, and that's what is happening to my face right now. The acne has reduced drastically. Like, I hardly have acne, just some that pops up once in a while, and things have actually changed. I'm also going to put a picture of my face wash now, the recent face wash I'm using that is actually helping me now. I'm doing less exfoliation now and I'm getting what I want. So I'm done cleaning my face, and my face is really dirty. I think I'm going to do this again, like clean it for the second time, just so I remove all the gums, because I don't want to apply skincare product on a face that is not well cleansed. I've washed my face in the shower. I did not exfoliate. I didn't exfoliate. I just washed my face with my face cleanser. So after using this, I'm just going to allow it to air dry. So after that, I'm going to be going with my Premier vitamin C serum. This is what I use. Still my all-time favorite, and I'm still with it. I've not changed because it's actually doing the job for me. So my advice to anybody as entering skincare routine is do what works for you, because what works for me might not work for you. So sometimes it's easier to do like a test on yourself. Do like a test on yourself is a patch test on your skin. Maybe put a little here and allow it to dry, leave it for some days and see if you're going to have any reaction, so that you don't say it's when you're getting man that pushed you to go and use what your skin doesn't want. So that's what I'm going to advise you. Do what works for you. Anything you see me using on my skin is actually, I've done trial and error a whole lot. If you check one of my old videos, you will see me where I did derma planning on my face, which is shaving your face. It was through following skincare people on the social media that I did it, and my face turned out very bad. Like, I started reacting to it. So since then, I'm not going to be the person to advise you on some product that I'm not really 100% sure, because my skin and your skin is not the same. So there was something I added to my skincare skincare routine, which is this 𝑦𝑡Rachel vitamin C face cream. This is face cream. I use it both day and night because it's written face cream. There's no day cream or night cream here. And this vitamin C, 𝑦𝑡Rachel vitamin C face cream contains hyaluronic acid, and that's why I bought it, because I like the fact that it contains hyaluronic acid, which is actually hydrating, and it also has other face cream qualities that I need. Formerly I used aloe vera gel, but aloe vera gel was not really giving me what I want, so that's why I switched over to this 𝑦𝑡Rachel vitamin C face cream, and it contains hyaluronic acid, deeply moisturizes, improves fine line and dull skin. So this is what it looks like. This is it. So I'm just going to take, this is what it looks like inside. And please, when you are buying 𝑦𝑡Rachel, make sure you buy the one that is written face cream, because there is one that is written day cream. That one that is written day cream, if you buy it, you're going to hate yourself. So if you're buying 𝑦𝑡Rachel, just buy the one that is written face cream. The one that is written day cream, they said it has SPF, and that has SPF is the one that leaves white cast on your face. Like after applying it, your face will be white like that of a ghost. So just how will I put it? If you're buying, make sure you buy the one that has face cream on it. Let me show you the container. The one that is written face cream, like this is the one you buy. Don't buy the one that is written day cream. It has SPF in it. The one with day cream has SPF in it, and it's really hard to blend. So I'm not going to advise you to buy that. So if you want to buy 𝑦𝑡Rachel, buy the face cream, then you get any other SPF that you will need. So guys, that is going to be all for this video. I told you guys it's going to be short, simple, straight. I'm not applying any SPF. It's actually a nighttime skincare routine. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've not subscribed, please remember to hit my subscribe button, turn on your post notification, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a constructive comment. I'm going to see you in the next one. Tell me what you think about my skin. Is there any improvement from 1 month ago, and all of this stuff. So stay tuned. I'm going to